Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be
Gotta warm
reacting to
up
Huskies
everything,
being
even
dramatic
those
for 10
jaws for
minutes for
munching.
his animal video. Ah, you guys hear me?
Please be aware of volcano vibes during her period.
What?
Wait, what in the world is that funky smell? If Huskies were giants, traffic would be chaos.
Responding to emails takes time,
Bruh.
but not with Grammarly. In a few clicks, Grammarly's generative AI drafts professional.
Distractions make contests hilarious. Even without winning, you're a humor champion. It's an animal version of a treasure hunt, guys. Probably the shovel is giving side eye to this digging assistant. Denying bed space to him? Now trouble is your roommate too.
Bruh. No.
Nah, not a chicken coop. It's a doggo fur spot. Yo, is he prepping for Easter Bunny stardom? Kissing without choosing the right time be like.
Oh my god, bro.
Mouth delivery service for mom's yummies. No hands, no problem.
Oh. Oh my god.
Someone is auditioning for the lead role in The Fast and the Furious. The bark, of course, is going on. Looks like he's the newbie.
Вася, улыбнись. Улыбка.
There are two types of askers, polite and gimme now. Not gonna say anything, just watch till the end.
Bird's gonna not make a flash or something. Nope. Okay. Oh.
Got a weak ticker? Think twice about having a husky. Singer troubles. Even gripes hit high notes. Peaceful work? Nah, some mates just won't cooperate.
Bro. Are you kidding? Oh, they're so cute.
Apparently, playtime is a wild party and things get cray-cray. Gotta honor the climbing pioneers. Funny but impressive moves.
Bro, after tomorrow I'm gonna do a tournament.
The thing about Husky is, no drama. Never any drama.
Archer bug. Archer.
Can you? Think about Huskies.
Bro's gonna open
This
the
pup
door.
must have
No
graduated
way.
from the School of Sneaky Escapes with flying colors.
Oh my.
Rio, your eyes are so blue.
Even goofy dogs feel blue sometimes.
Oh my god.
Rio,
Oh, bro, they're so cute. They're so fluffy and cute. Look at that one. Bro's fending the fort. If I'm loud, sorry.
Deixa o gato branco. Laila.
Yep, cats are sassy, but this cat messed with the wrong sassy buddy.
Laila. Deixa ele quieto, tadinho.
Dude, this drinking skill could land him a spot at the circus. Mom's new rule. Scary faces earn scoldings, guilty or not.
Oh no, please don't yell at me. Please don't yell at me.
Boss, beware. The Huskies' eyes miss nothing. No shady business allowed.
fire, yung guys.
No doubt, he's off to meet his crush, and his behavior gives it away.
There's no way.
The
I can
sofa is not
record it for
fashionable,
6
so she decided to
minutes.
restyle it.
What?
Nova! Hey! It is muddy outside! No! No! Oh my effing god.
You're a pro teaser, but watch out. Chicken revenge can sting, bro. Getting compliments in his jam feels like a power-up boost.
Oh. What is bro digging for on the floor?
Someone please, get this girl a wrestling scholarship.
He's brought again. Bro go to WWE.
If you're cold,
Oh.
they're cold.
The lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
That husky is
I'm fine. Just leave me alone.
that husky is definitely not cold.
No matter what you offer, Doggo can still be the side chick.
Oh my.
A sip of magic. Dreamland to Reality Express.
Ooh, oh, ooh, that's good. Hey,
Ah, he's got some siren envy.
There are no wolves around. Looks like there's one.
Newcomer steps into this house. He's all set to claim his throne.
Что случилось? Мама обижала?
Oh,
Обижала мама.
When mom's mad, some peeps sneak to dad for backup. Thanks for watching.
that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this reaction video, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. It's okay if you don't. Just watch. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Peace.